Hi guys, Jai Shri Ram. Let's start Grok. Hi Grok,
Hi, Ravi. What's up?
how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing good. Grok, what is happening with gold?
Gold's crashing hard, down over 9% Friday, another 6% Monday, now around $4,670 per ounce, after hitting a record near $5,600. It's due to Trump's Fed pick, Kevin Warsh, boosting the dollar, margin calls, and profit taking after the big rally. But some analysts see it rebounding.
Okay. So is it just Trump's Fed pick causing this gold to go down?
No, Trump's nomination of Kevin Warsh as Fed chair, who's seen as hawkish and stabilizing, is the main trigger, easing fears of Fed meddling and spiking the dollar. But it's also profit-taking after the huge rally, margin calls forcing sales, and some reduced geopolitical worries, like potential Iran deals adding pressure.
I see. What about silver?
Silver's tanking even worse, down 31% Friday, its biggest drop since 1980, and another 5 to 6% Monday, now around $80 per ounce from over 110 recently. Same reasons as gold: Warsh's hawkish Fed pick, dollar surge, profit taking, and leverage selling after the rally.
So let's say whoever is going to be a new Fed will strengthen the dollar. How will impact the market?
A stronger dollar from a hawkish Fed chair like Warsh means higher rates or tighter policy to fight inflation, hurting gold and silver by making them pricier for non-US buyers and less appealing as safe havens. Stocks might dip short-term on borrowing costs, but could rally if it signals economic strength. Commodities and exports suffer too, since dollar strength curbs imports.
I see. Okay, so actually I was thinking if it will increase the stock market, right? If it strengthens the dollar. No?
Not necessarily. A stronger dollar from a hawkish Fed hurts multinational stocks by raising import costs and cutting overseas earnings when converted back to dollars. Plus, higher rates can crimp borrowing and growth. But if it shows a robust economy without runaway inflation, US-focused stocks like financials and small caps could rise on better margins and stability.
I see. So will the Fed also do the rate cut as Trump wants?
Yes, markets still expect 2 rate cuts in 2026, likely starting in June after Warsh takes over in May, even with his hawkish lean. But it'll depend on data. If inflation cools and jobs weaken more, cuts happen. Otherwise, they might pause at the current 3.5 to 3.75% range.
I see. Okay. What are the news other than that? Look, I see some deal is happening between India and US. Is it working?
Yeah, Trump just announced a US-India trade deal today. US tariffs on Indian goods dropped from 25 to 18% right away. India agreed to stop buying Russian oil, buy over $500 billion in US stuff like energy and tech, and PM Modi called it a win with big thanks.
Will it impact the India EU trade deal?
No direct negative impact. The India-EU free trade deal from late January stands on its own, slashing tariffs on nearly all goods both ways as a hedge against US tariffs. The new US deal might actually complement it by pressuring more balanced trade, letting India diversify exports without favoring one over the other.
Okay, thank you, Grok. Bye. Jai Shri Ram. Bye, guys. Jai Shri Ram.